video, I will be demonstrating how to complete the QIP Progress Report in Navigator. Your QIP Progress Report will act as a tool for reflecting on quality improvement activities and achievements, as well as challenges, and can be used to develop your next QIP. Remember, QI is all about learning, and it's important to reflect and share on both what works and what doesn't work. It's also important to take time to celebrate your successes and share your lessons learned with your entire organization, as well as with patients, clients, and residents. Once Navigator has been opened for the new QIP cycle, you will be able to access your current year's QIP after logging in from the Navigator homepage by clicking on Submit QIP. Clicking on Submit QIP will open up the current year's QIP dashboard. Next, locate your current year's QIP and click on Edit. By default, Navigator will take you to your progress report. Before starting the process of editing your progress report, you will need to prepare for what you intend on including. It is a good idea to export a copy of the progress report using the third export button, Export Blank Progress Report Template, which will list all of your indicators and change ideas that were included in your previous year's QIP work plan. You can then take this report to the members of your QI team and others in your organization to discuss: did we implement this change idea? How did things go? What did we learn from implementing this change idea? What did we achieve? What is our data showing us now? And did we add any new change ideas that were new after we submitted last year? Although this report is very useful for collecting the information you will be using to update your progress report, it can only be used to guide the discussions. You will not be able to enter any information into the report template and upload it back into Navigator. Once you have finished your consultations and reviewed your data, it's time to start entering the information into Navigator. To access each indicator's edit screen, for each indicator, click on the Edit button. A box will open where you will be able to enter your updated information. Start with current performance. For select indicators, a pre-populated current performance is provided in early February by Ontario Health. For example, potentially avoidable ED visits from long-term care. For these pre-populated indicators, there is no need for organizations to enter a current performance, as it will be provided for you as stated. For other indicators, you will need to provide a current performance either from your internal tracking sources or, in the case of survey indicators, using the Calculate function in Navigator. More details related to using the Calculate function are provided in another video. One really important thing to note: the current performance that appears in your progress report for this year must match the current performance that appears in your work plan for the same indicator. Change ideas. For each of your indicators, complete the change idea updates. State whether it was implemented or not. Share any lessons learned, such as: what was your experience with this indicator? What were your key learnings? Did the change ideas make an impact? And what advice would you give to others? Are there any new change ideas? that you chose to move forward with that weren't included in your QIP that you'd now like to include. You can utilize Add New Change Ideas and describe what your new change idea was. In the comments section, you will note there is a question mark that offers hover help on things you may wish to include. Clicking on the question mark will hold the box open. Some things you may consider including: what did you learn about the root causes of the current performance? Were the proposed change ideas in your QIP implemented? Why or why not? If implemented, have the changes helped you to achieve or surpass the target? What will you do further to improve on this indicator? And what were your key lessons learned? To close this box, simply click on the X. Including images. Upload an image to your progress report. Click Upload Image. Select File. Choose the file you wish to upload. Click Upload. The file should now be attached to your progress report. Click Save and Close, and is visible. We love to see pictures of things like run charts, PDSAs, process mapping, and teams in action. It really brings your QI efforts to life when images are added. Once you are happy with the information entered, click Save and Close. You will have the ability to edit this information further if needed, right up until your QIP is validated and submitted. As you continue to edit your progress report and add in information, you will see this information start to appear on your other exports. You have the option of exporting your progress report with change ideas included, for example, if you're meeting with your management team, or just with the indicators visible and without change ideas, if you're meeting with your data team. Again, one thing to remember about the export reports is that you cannot upload these reports back into Navigator. You will need to edit, as I've shown you, and add in the information you have collected. This concludes the review of how to complete the QIP Progress Report section in Navigator.